Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 Pro, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to tap on the settings, and here let's choose home screen and wallpaper. Now let's scroll down to the personalization section, and here let's tap on set wallpaper. And now, as you can see, we can choose the wallpaper from static wallpapers, live wallpapers, or your own photos. But let me pick, for example, live wallpapers. And as you can see here, we've got the list of defaultly installed ones. If you want to check how the particular one look, simply tap on it. And if you are happy with your choice, click on Set As. Now you can decide where you want to apply the wallpaper. We can set it on our home screen and lock screen. So let me pick both, for example. And as you can see, we just got back to our home page and the wallpaper has been successfully applied. So that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your OPPO Reno4 Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.